Hi everyone, my name is John Savill and welcome to my course, Managing Data Security and Policy in Microsoft Azure. I'm a Principal Technical Architect at the Dallas Microsoft Technology Center. If data is the most important asset for pretty much any organization, its security needs to be the organization's top priority. In this course, we're going to look at the key data security technologies in Azure related to Azure Storage, Azure SQL Database, and Azure Cosmos DB. By the end of this course, you'll know the capabilities available in Azure Data Services that can be used to enhance the security of your prized data. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn all about security for data services in Azure with the Managing Data Security and Policy in Microsoft Azure course at Pluralsight.